Let's talk about some routing. You can also send the HTML in the response. Let's try to send the HTML. I'm gonna send it here, HTML tag, but you have to write the tag manually. Let me add the closing tag, HTML. Now we need to add the header. Let me add the closing tag of the header. Here we need to add the title of our application. You can choose any title. I'm gonna name it to Node.js application. So now we need to send the body in the response. I'm gonna send the body. Inside the body, I can add the h1. Let me add the h1, hello world. So I'm gonna run the application by using Node server. Let me go to the localhost colon 3001. Awesome, you can see the hello world. If you would like to add more stuff, you can also do that. Let's say I'm gonna add the paragraph. I am learning Node. We have to restart the application. Let me restart the server. Cool, you can see I am learning Node. When you inspect the element, you can see the HTML tag here. Here you can see the header, body, and the HTML. If you would like to add the routing, you can also do that, because we can get the request URL by using this method, request.url. You will see the get method by default because we are sending the get request from here. Request.url is a slash, you can see that. So what we are going to do, you can add some URL, request.url is equals to slash. Then you can say that I would like to run this code. Otherwise, you can say that I would like to return, or you can say that res.writehead. I would like to send the simple message, hello world, and I would like to end this response. Let's try to test it out. Get rid of this log. Yep, everything is working fine. I'm gonna go to this root URL. You will see the same stuff. What happens when I change the URL? Let's say test. You can see the hello world. So you can do the routing in this way. I also, in this video, I taught you how to write the HTML in the response. Don't worry, we don't need to add content type, stuff like that. We're gonna use Express framework. It would be easy to implement the HTML. You can get the request URL from here. If URL is not root, it is going to send this response.